heavenly beings? It's your girl, Country Club Crystal, and I come in the name of Jesus. Today, I come to tell you if anybody's gonna start a new work in you and finish it, it's Jesus. Duh. Like, honey, he did not come to play, and he really didn't come to play with you. And with that being said, Satan, we're gonna tear your kingdom down. No, for real, that's what we gonna do. Even if I gotta do it by myself, I'm gonna do it because I came in this world one deep, and that's how I'm gonna probably leave. Except, actually, I'm gonna be on the back of that horse with Jesus. Okay, so basically, don't give up. Don't give up hope. Like, he got you.